Thank you for stopping by. If I can assist you, please contact me at 336-870-7209 Cul de Sac location with fenced yard is what you have been looking for. This home is updated and is like new with fantastic updated kitchen. Solid surface counters, double oven, new sink, fixtures, lighting cabinets extend to ceiling so no dusting up there. Kitchen cabinets have sliding shelves for ease of access. A huge great room featuring gas fireplace. So much natural light, it's amazing. Just look at the pictures. Drop zone as you enter front door for convenient living. Let's head upstairs and see the magnificent primary bedroom with ensuite bath. Separate garden tub and shower. Dual vanity. Walk-in closet with built-in shelving. Study or craft room also on this level. Additional bedrooms are an excellent size with walk-in closets. Laundry is conveniently located on this level. Backyard is fenced and a fantastic blank.